Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Base Camp Trading. It is Thursday, August 16th, and today we're going to talk a little bit about avoiding choppy markets. And today, you can see this is crude oil on a 30-minute price chart. It's been pretty choppy all day long, and we've stayed out of this market all day, and we had the expectation of it being choppy. So what do we look for in order to determine, okay, this market is going to be a choppier market today, or this market has potential to keep running? Well, one of the first things we look at is whether or not we are trading inside of a consolidation zone. So what do I mean by that? Well, I mean, we look at our pivot highs and our pivot lows, and as long as we stay trading inside of the pivot highs and lows, like we did here, we were saying between 65.43 and 64.75. As long as we stayed in that zone, we said, okay, we're going to stay out of it because it's choppy. And we expect it to chop around until it breaks out of there. Then the other thing you can look at is time of day. So especially if you're a day trader, look at what time of day are you getting in, because a lot of times there's certain times of day where you can expect markets to be a little bit more choppy. One of those times is going over the lunch hour, right after the European close, between about 11 and 1 o'clock. So when we do that, when we go into the lunch hour, we typically try to stay back because a lot of times you'll see choppier markets there. So if we have a breakout like we had here in crude oil that's occurring at 11 o'clock or 11:30, we're not going to trade that breakout because there's a higher probability of chop and of a false breakout taking place, which is what's happened so far here in crude. So keep that in mind. There's two different things we look at mainly for day trading. One is, are we trading inside of the range of the previous pivot high and low? And the second thing is, what time of day are we looking to get into that trade? Are we jumping in at the wrong time of day, or at a time of day where we expect volatility to pick up? All right, so that's it for today. I hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. Also, make sure you go check out at the end of this video, there is a link for the Mistakes Traders Make series here on YouTube. That gives you a lot of really good information on some common mistakes that traders make and how to avoid it, and hopefully save you some money. So check that out. And until next time, happy trading, everybody.